All right, so this is the choreography for Firecracker, the end of Firecracker. Explained. Miss Jade is here. Miss Francis is here. I'm here. So, the first thing we're going to do is we have to get on stage, and so we'll just come on, stepping in rhythm. It's going to be in a triangle, so it kind of depends on where you're put in the triangle. The first thing we do is a ripple, so go that way first. So the ripple goes, and then Jade comes back, and then me. And then after that, we do jazz hands at the side, and we do 8 counts of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we go to the front, side, back. So that is a flap, and you hit your heel, flap, heel, flap, heel, flap, heel to get you in a circle. After that, we do this again, only the arms go up and down, and then we do the flap, heel, flap, heel, flap, heel, flap, heel. After that, we go out, so it's in the back, and so that should be a kind of shuffle, toe, heel, shuffle, toe, heel. So together that looks like, as I mess up. Okay, after that is we walk forward and we flap, ball, change. Then flap, ball, change, flap, ball, change, flap, ball, change. And that will be getting out of the triangle into a straight line. And after that, we go very quickly, step, step. So that again is step, step. So it's a little bit like, so this foot kind of comes out first and then back. So 1, 2. And then it'll depend on where you are. The front, if you're the people that move front, you'll go 1, 2, 3, pose. People that go back, 1, 2, 3, pose. And those are the steps for Firecracker at the end. So happy practicing.